Hello traders, the title of the video is 7 factors that make a stock go up more. Let's get started, alright? So do you trade stocks? Do you want to know the 7 factors that can make a stock go up more? Are you a bullish stock trader? Alright? So you are at the right place at the right time, alright? So it's very important in the stock market to understand the factors that can make a stock go up more, alright? So the first factor that can make a stock go up more is that no one is selling the stock, or more people are buying the stock. Alright, so a stock so first thing first, the natural progression of the stock market is up. Alright, so stocks will go up more than they go down. Alright, so because well, this is the natural progression of the stock market, up and up and up. Alright, so when a stock is going up, alright, and no one is selling the stock, or more people are buying the stock will go up more. So you may say to me, George, I already know that. That's very good, alright? So the reason why you need to understand the factors, so I want to talk about the 7 factors, you want to know, the reason why you need to know is because if you are a typical bullish trader, you want to, okay, identify if there is a factor that can make a stock go up. So for instance, we are looking at a microchip technology. You want to understand, is there a factor that can make the stock go up more? If you find one of those factors, you will be prepared to buy the stock. Alright? So the first factor is that no one is selling the stock and more people are buying the stock. So you may say to me, Joe, how do I know that more people are buying the stock, or no one is selling the stock? The first technical indicator that we can use to know whether no one is selling the stock or more people are buying the stock is the volume bar. Alright, so I'm going to place on my charts, okay, the volume bar. Alright, it's a very powerful technical indicator that will help us to know that more people are buying the stock and no one is selling it. So if you look carefully here, I want you to concentrate in this price action here. You can see that the price is going up. So it's going up more. So here we know, looking at the volume bar, you can see this volume bar here. You see this one here. It's quite okay, tall volume bar. We have more than 989 million shares being transacted after the stock pullback. So you have to understand what's happening. So stock is going up fast. So you can see here, all right. So it was going up nicely here, and now the stock pulled back. All right. After the stock pulled back, all right, you can see that we see a surge in trading volume. In fact, we are seeing a surge in trading volume. You see here, this section here, the volume is increasing as the price is pulling back. Okay, the price was pulling back, but the volume was increasing. But the price did not go down very much. How do we know? So we can apply a Fibonacci retracement to this price move from here to here. How far the price went down? The price went down, okay, to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level as the volume is increasing and the price continuing to go up. So one of the technical indicators that can help us to know whether no one is selling the stock or more people are buying the stock is the volume bar. This volume bar here is indicating to us, you can see that we have this bearish volatile tendency bar followed by another bullish stock at the point when we have more than 900 million shares being transacted. Alright, the price did not continue to go down. You see, the volume was increasing, but the price did not continue to go down. So it's a kind of a paradox. Normally, if the price is going down and the volume is increasing, we should expect the price to go down more. And here we are, the volume is increasing, but the price did not go down very much, but quickly we see a bullish, okay, engulfment here. So you can see if you highlight the high, the low of this bearish candlestick bar, you can see that the following bullish candlestick bar went above the median line of that bearish candlestick bar. So here we have a volume that is increasing, price going down, but the price is not going down very much. So we know that if the price is going down, normally if the volume is increasing, the price should continue to display lower lows, lower highs. But if the price is going down and the volume is increasing, but the price did not go down very much, it's indicating to us that no one is selling the stock, or not many people are selling the stock, and in fact more people are buying the stock. So the first factor that can make a stock go up more is that no one is selling the stock, or more people are buying the stock, and we can use the volume bar to verify whether this is true or false. All right. The second factor that can make a stock go up more is the third Elliott wave. So some traders may not know what is the third Elliott wave. If a financial instrument go up like this, first move up and then pull back a little bit without going beyond the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, and the price close above the high of the first bullish move, very often Elliott wave trader will say this is the first wave, this is the second wave, and during the third Elliott wave, the stock is likely to go up more. So bullish stock that are in the third Elliott wave, have more chance to go up more. So the second factor that can make a stock go up more is that the stock is in the third Elliott wave, because there are many technical traders that are using the Elliott wave principle. Once they identify that a stock is in the third Elliott wave, they will come in and buy more the stock, and during the third Elliott wave, the price will break above the prior high, will find a support and continue to go up, and we are likely to see a high volatility. So the second factor that can make a stock go up more is just because the stock is in the third Elliott wave. All right. So the third factor that can make a stock go up more is that we are in a bullish market. So the market sentiment is bullish. So if the market sentiment is very, very bullish, all right. So in fact, let me show you on a daily chart today one example. So this stock did not go up very much today, all right. So, but if we have excellent good news, like today we have, yesterday was the election in France, all right. So people were expecting Mr. Macron to win the election instead of the far right party. That's a very good news that everybody is expecting. So when we have when we have, a very bullish market, a very bullish economy news, a very good news, all right, whether it's political news, all right, very often the market sentiment may become bullish. So if we have, for instance, a company exceeded the analyst forecast, that's a good news, all right. So if the market sentiment is bullish, the stock has more chance to go up more. All right, so a bullish market sentiment can help a stock go up more. So that's the third factor that can make a stock go up more. All right, bullish market sentiment. Sometimes you may see that, for instance, when they release the non-farm employment data, if it is bullish, all right, if they create more job in United States, you will see that the market will become, the market sentiment will become bullish, and many stocks are likely to go up more. So the third factor that can make a stock go up more is the bullish market sentiment. The fourth factor that can make a stock go up more, all right, my friend, is because the stock is undervalued. All right, stock is undervalued. So for instance, a stock that has a book value. All right, suppose the stock has a book value of $100. So that's the fair value for that stock is $100. All right. Now the stock is for one reason or another, the current price is, for instance, $50. So fundamental traders that know that the fair value for that stock is $100, but now the stock is $50. they will continue to buy the stock. They will place a lot of orders to buy the stock because they know that the book value is $100. But why? Okay, so there is a bit of discrepancy, a bit of abnormality. Something that should be $100 is now $50. Provided that they have excellent management in place, they are creating more value. If they are undervalued, okay, people will continue to place order to buy that stock. So it's like buying something that is very, very discounted, all right, at the right time and also at the right place. Quality, okay, stock that has been undervalued. If the book value, if the fair value for that stock is $100, but for one reason that stock is $50, the fundamental traders, the smart money will continue to buy the stock if they know that they're creating more value, they are creating okay, excellent product, they are gaining more market share, they will continue to buy the stock. So the fourth factor that can make a stock go up more is just the fact that the stock is undervalued and people will be placing more buy orders to buy the stock. All right. So the fifth factor that can make a stock go up more is very simple. When the stock is heading to a target, a price level. So you will see that very often as a day trader, you want to take advantage of it. So, for instance, one example I can tell you now is, for instance, if we have, like, for instance, okay, a cup and handle pattern, all right, okay, cup and handle chart pattern, all right, and then we see the cup and handle chart pattern, and the stock now breaks above the neckline, all right. There is a target that a professional will set, okay. So if the fundamentals are solid for that stock and the market sentiment is bullish and the stock is heading towards a price target, the price will continue to go up more, which will help the stock go up more. So the fifth factor that can make a stock go up more can just be a technical reason. A price is heading to a specific target level. In a bullish market, that stock will continue to go up more until it reaches that price target. All right? So the sixth factor that can make a stock go up more is just down to a new product. So for instance, Apple coming up with iPhone 8, or a new management is in place, so new product or a better management can make a stock go up more. So because some management, some directors have a high reputation, and whenever they join a company, all right, that company, they can make it, okay, work better. So for instance, if they change the CEO of the company and that CEO has a high reputation, and they have done it because some directors, they go, all they do, they go for they go into company that are struggling, and they will turn it around quickly. So a new management or a new product can make also a stock go up more. So it's just so if you think of it, so the stock is going up first, all right, so it's going up, so we want it to go up first, breaking resistance. Now it will continue to go up more if they come up with a better product that will make them, okay, that they can sell more, or a new management is replacing the old management. All right, so that can also help the stock go up more. You have to understand that a new product that can sell very fast, a new management that can okay, change, okay, the fortune, so to speak, of the company, can help that stock go up more. All right. The last factor that can make a stock go up more is the sector. So a sector is booming, all right. If the sector is very, very bullish, the stock will continue to go up more because people believe that if one should invest, for instance, in the technology sector. So all the money, this is about the money flow. So they believe that that sector is more likely to go up. So that's like we see a few years ago, the commodity sector was booming, so all the money was going to the commodity market. So if a sector is booming, that can also help a stock go up more. So if a sector is booming, we don't want to challenge that sector. So if you know, for instance, that the technology sector is booming, that no one want to, in fact, if the hedge funds, okay, the big financial institutions do not want to sell in that sector, all right, they just want to buy. It will be completely crazy for a day trader, a swing trader, even a position trader to try to sell stock that belong to that sector unless you have a fundamental reason to sell that stock. Okay, so a sector that is booming can also help, okay, a stock go up more. So those are the seven, okay, those are the seven factors that can make a stock go up more. So they are not the only factor that can make a stock go up more. There are other factors that can make a stock go up more, but just think of it that when we're talking about the first seven factors that can make a stock go up more, the first one is that no one is selling it and more people are buying it. By using the volume bar, we can have a bit of idea that the stock, no one is selling it, the volume is increasing, but the price not go when the volume is increasing at the time when the price is going down, but the price is not going down very much. It's telling us that no one is selling it, and in fact more people are buying the stock. As the stock is trying to go down, people are buying it straight away. All right, so that's the first factor. The second factor is just because the stock is in the third area wave. The strongest phase of a bullish, okay, trend is the third area wave. A stock in the third area wave with strong fundamental, with a bullish market sentiment, is likely to go up more. The third factor that can make a stock go up more is just because people are bullish toward that. There is a bullish market sentiment in place. Okay, no one is willing to sell. There are more people want to buy, so the market sentiment is bullish, so therefore the stock will go up more. That's the third factor that can make a stock go up more, which is the bullish market sentiment. The fourth factor that can make stock go up more is the undervalued stock, which Mr. Warren Buffett, that's his strategy. He looks for stock that are undervalued, checking the book value. Stock is £100, the fair value is $100. Now the stock is $30. Well, if you know the true value of that stock and you know that they have a strong management in place, all right, but probably the market was bearish for a while, so therefore that stock for one reason went down, so it's below its book value. They have excellent management in place, all right, and they are creating more value. Undervalued stock that people are buying more will go up more. So the fourth factor that can make a stock go up more is because the stock is undervalued, therefore people are buying it more. We have more buying orders. The fifth factor that can make a stock go up more is just because the price is heading to a target. It's a technical factor, but it's true in the financial market. There are many price targets that the smart money is monitoring. As the stock is going up, but there is a target for it, they will try to push it up. So for instance, what usually take place, I will show you here very fast because we are wrapping it up. So stock is going up, okay, it's going up fast, but there is a target for it. So the small money start buying it. They say, all right. So if you try to sell before the target, you can have problem because they need to hit the target. Everybody want to get paid at the time when the price hit the target. Sometimes ordinary trader or some people who do not know where is the price heading or headed, all right, price headed, they will try to sell it at early stage, and the smart money will just kick them out of their bearish trade, and they will push it until the price reaches the target. So the fifth factor that can make a stock go up more is the price heading to a target in a bullish market. In a bullish market, very important point, in a bullish market. All right. The sixth factor that can make a stock go up more is just a new product or a new management. All right, or they are gaining more market share. And the last factor that can make a stock go up more is just because the sector is booming. If the sector is booming, don't try to sell it, all right? Be on the side of the money flow. If it's booming, the money will be coming to that sector, and you don't want to be fighting against the crowd or the smart money, all right? So those are the seven factors that can make a stock go up more. Now that you know those are seven factors, you can work with those factors. Look for those. If you look at a stock, you look at those seven factors and say, is there one of those factors that can help the stock go up more? If you tick that box, you know that you want to give priority to bullish signal or bullish trading setup for that particular stock, and you don't want to sell it because you know that it tick one of the box talking about the seven factors that can make a stock go up more. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about 7 factors that make a stock go up more. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.